Many. There are many students in the class. There are many students in the class. She has many talents. She has many talents. Much. It was so much fun. It was so much fun. You are talking too much. You are talking too much. Many. Many books are on the table. Many books are on the table. She has many plans. She has many plans. Much. There is too much noise here. There is too much noise here. There isn't much traffic today. There isn't much traffic today. Many. There aren't many trees in the park. There aren't many trees in the park. You didn't make many mistakes. You didn't make many mistakes. Much. There isn't much milk. There isn't much milk. This movie is much better. This movie is much better. Many. There aren't many cars at the gas station. There aren't many cars at the gas station. There are many reasons to be happy. There are many reasons to be happy. Much. I didn't get much sleep last night. I didn't get much sleep last night. How much money do you need? How much money do you need? Many. They own many houses. They own many houses. He can speak many languages. He can speak many languages. Much. I don't have much sugar. I don't have much sugar. She didn't eat much for lunch. She didn't eat much for lunch. Many. There are many ways to solve this problem. There are many ways to solve this problem. They don't have many clients. They don't have many clients. Much. I don't have much time to finish it. I don't have much time to finish it. I'm not having much luck today. I'm not having much luck today. Many. How many times have you been here? How many times have you been here? We don't have many options. We don't have many options. Much. There isn't much information available. There isn't much information available. He doesn't have much patience. He doesn't have much patience. Many. I have many things to do. I have many things to do. She doesn't have many friends. She doesn't have many friends. Much. There wasn't much rain last month. There wasn't much rain last month. Does it use much electricity? Does it use much electricity? Many. Salad has so many benefits. Salad has so many benefits. There are many job opportunities. There are many job opportunities. Much. There isn't much space in this room. There isn't much space in this room. We don't have much money to spend. We don't have much money to spend.